What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. तो आज के vlog में मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने वाला हूँ मेरा पूरा नया routine. I'm going to be showing you guys my new back routine, and I'm also going to be telling you guys about my new split that I have started. It is a 4-day split, as you guys have seen in the thumbnail. So just to give you guys a reference, about a month ago I hurt my wrist really hard, and because of that I realized that now I need to focus more on recovery and I need to focus more on a less fatiguing split. So thanks to this injury, funny as it is, I switched to this 4-day split, and it has been one of the best experiences that I have had with a split yet. I'll explain to you guys why. First things first, it is not time consuming. It helps me hit one muscle group at a time. So on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, that's the 4 days that I'm going to be training. Then Friday I taken off, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday again I go on. So I'm not training exactly 4 days a week only. I'm training 4 days, taking 1 day off, and then training another 4 days. So one of the best parts about this split is that I am being able to hit one muscle group at a time. So when I'm hitting back, I don't need to worry about bicep, and when I'm hitting chest, I don't have to worry about shoulder and arms after that. So what I do is I train back on Monday, then chest, then legs, and then shoulder and arms, and then I take an off, and then I repeat the cycle again. So say I'm doing chest one day, I can bench, I can go all out on my bench. I don't have to conserve my energy for shoulder and arms after that. So I'm being able to focus on that specific muscle group, and I'm being able to push myself more on that, and my progressive overload, my strength has gotten a lot higher, my muscle mass has increased, and I'm feeling fuller, I'm feeling better, I'm feeling more energetic throughout the day, and I'm being able to focus more on my other work because it just takes me 1 hour to work out. So all in all, I think that's one of the best things that you can have, especially if you're a student right now. I feel like you need to conserve time, and everybody's in a time constraint. Not only a student, even for people who are in an internship right now or having a work or a job, I feel like this split does a lot for you. So just to give you guys a little background, I've been training for the past 6 years, and I've experimented with a ton of programs and a ton of splits too. I obviously started with the bro split, then I went on to the PPL, and then I went to the PPL plus Arnold, and back in 2023 when I was actually bulking, I did 3 programs. I did the Anthony Mantelo's bodybuilding program, I did Russell Ory's power building program, which is by far one of the best programs that I've ever done. The other program that I did was Hani Rambod's program. Hani Rambod is Chris Bumstead's coach. He has a program called FST7, I think, if I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. But FST7 was a very, very taxing program because it made you do a lot of reps. As much as I remember, there were about 200 in total reps for arms alone on a given day, which was exorbitant, and it doesn't work for people who are natural because we do not recover as fast as the people who are enhanced. So unfortunately, we need to choose something that will work for us. But it's not a bad program to experiment with and have fun with, especially if you're just starting working out. I feel like hop on a program, you'll enjoy it. It'll tell you what to do, so you're not guessworking any of it, and I feel like you will be able to push yourself even more because you will be looking forward to the next workout. You know, that was one of the best experiences of my life, the 3 programs that I've done. Another change that I've made, guys, is that I've switched to NutraBase yeast protein. The best part about yeast protein is that it is so easy on the gut. It is also for people who are lactose intolerant, so this will be like the perfect choice for you guys. It has the complete amino acid profile like the normal way, but it is budget friendly and more affordable. So this is the perfect go-to for people who are students right now. Definitely check it out. You guys can use my code GAUTAM for an extra discount on this or on any of the NutraBase products on their website. Anyway guys, enough chit chat, time to go to the gym and show you guys my new back workout. By the way, this is the best back routine that I've done yet. तो अभी मैं लैट पुल डाउन के 3 सेट करने वाला हूँ. I'm doing 124 kgs, feeling a little strong today. 10 reps went easy. I'm going to show one set of each exercise so I can get it done with quickly. ये एक्सरसाइज को हम लोग आइसोलैटरल रो मशीन कहते हैं। तो उसका मतलब आइसोलैटरल मतलब वी आर सपोज्ड टू बी डूइंग इट विद वन हैंड, पर मैं दोनों हाथ के साथ करता हूँ एंड आई एम फीलिंग अ लॉट बेटर एज आई शो यू गाइज इन अ बिट हाउ माई लैक हैज़ गॉटन सो मच बिगर कंपेयर टू वॉट इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एंटायर सिस्टम दैट आव चेंज। और ये वर्कआउट मेरे लिए बहुत अभी सूट हो रहा है कंपेयर टू दी rows that I used to do on the cable. So I feel a lot better on this one and I feel a lot बहुत muscle engagement बहुत अच्छा है and I'm feeling the mind muscle connection that I've been training for a long time on this specific exercise. So it's been like really good and this one so yeah, this one's pretty good compared to the cable machine, but Saurabh who is my unofficial coach says that the resistance on this is obviously not going to be the same as the cable, क्योंकि केबल के जब हम लोग केबल यूज़ करते हैं तो उसमें रेजिस्टेंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा रहता है, बट इन दिस मशीन सिर्फ रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू एग्जीक्यूट दिस मशीन रियली वेल इट फील्स अ लॉट बेटर ऑन द बैक which it does for me. So I'm going to be doing this for a while now. Alright, so अभी third exercise के लिए we are going to be doing weighted pull-ups. Weighted pull-ups is the second change that I have made in my routine and मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि it has made a lot of benefit for me. Plus pull-ups is one of the best upper body strength exercise that you can do. So I incorporated that in my routine now and my grip strength has gotten a lot better thanks to it. और spine भी decompress हो जाता है unknowingly and feels a lot better all in all. Very nice exercise if you want to build the back thickness, overall back thickness, because you need to engage your entire back to be able to pull yourself up and it feels really good. Very good exercise if you want to incorporate it in your routine. लोग देखोगे मेरा ग्रिप ट्रेडिशनल ग्रिप के जैसे नहीं है. आई डोंट ग्रिप द बार लाइक दिस, आई ग्रिप इट लाइक दिस, so it feels a lot better for me in my lats. For the last exercise of the day we are going to be doing shrugs and with that our back workout is over. That's good. That's good. That's good. Look, some nice. Nice.